Hey guys, how you doing? It's me, Todd, the Flippin' Hustler. And today is going to be just something a little bit different. It's going to be an unboxing. I ordered something off of Amazon. Yeah, I sell on eBay, but I had to order something off Amazon. So, I ordered a scale. Because it was time to upgrade my scale, right? And stay tuned and I'll show you the other thing that I ordered from Amazon. But first, we're going to look at this. What is it? Oh, if you're new to my channel, my name's Todd, the Flippin' Hustler, and what I do is I buy things at garage sales, estate sales, auctions, big box stores, anywhere I can score a good deal on something, and then I list it, or I picture it, list it, and put it up on eBay. That's easy for me to say, right? I list it, I flip it on eBay, and I've been doing that for 4 years, and I've been doing that full time. So I love my life, and this is something that I needed right here. So I've been doing the best I could with what I had, because that's what I do. But now it's time to step it up here. So, this is called an Accutech W-8580-110B. Has a capacity of 110 pounds. Graduation 0.1, so it goes up in increments of 0.1, so a tenth, I believe that is. Reading pounds, ounces and grams. Has a LED backlight, large LCD for easy reading, low battery and overload indication, and you can use an AC adapter. The main thing was it has a little cord right here. See the cord? Because I do a lot of big boxes and it's kind of a pain in the butt. So let's crack this thing open and see what it looks like. So you get batteries with it apparently. Get batteries, more batteries, and a USB that goes into a whatever that is, AC, somewhere to there. I wonder if that's so you can plug it into. Oh no, comes with one of these. And there's the little telephone cord dilly. It looks literally like a telephone cord dilly. Look at that. Crazy. Okay. Oh, here it is. Woohoo! Accutech. That's pretty sweet. So now I can just ship, and not have to worry about how heavy it is. Well, up to 110 pounds, but I think the heaviest thing I've ever shipped so far was like 35 or 39 pounds. So this should be fine. I had one that used to go up to 50 pounds. I still have it actually. Where's it at? Or did I throw it? I must have thrown it. But at one point I had a pipe break up over here. You can't see it, but there was a pipe and it broke and it dripped water right on top of my scale. So that was that. Alright, so here we go. Back to this. Accutech, max 110 pounds. Please remove the cardboard under the scale platform before weighing. Oh yeah, look at that. Little chunks of foam. Oh, look at that. It's foamalicious. Alright. So, why don't you leave in the comments below, what type of scale do you use, folks? Do you use one like this with the accordion cord or whatever? Do you use a smaller one, a bigger one? Yeah, I used a kitchen scale for a long time. Look, I still keep that as a backup. I've always kept it as a backup. You know, it worked for a long time, but it only goes up to 7 pounds. So, and when you have to put something big on it, you know, it just doesn't work out. What else? I've got another scale around here somewhere that I use, but it was time. Alright, let's plug this thing in over here. Oh, look at that. It's got a little thing where you can flip it open. I don't know why you'd want to do that really, but I don't know. I thought it was going to be bigger. It's kind of like Roadhouse. Thought you'd be bigger kind of thing. But that's okay. It's still pretty sweet, right? So let's go ahead and undo this. We'll save those. And we'll plug this in. Or should I just use the batteries? Maybe the batteries are for the LCD readout. I bet that's what it is, folks. I bet that's what it is. Okay, so there is no plug in there. Just that one right there. So we'll start there. And I haven't really figured out where I'm going to put this yet because it has to be close to an outlet, which means technically it's going to need to go like right here. Right there, yeah. And then this, okay, this takes the DC 5-volt plug right there, which is this. And we need to put in some batteries, and it comes with 4 AA's, AAA's. So we'll go ahead and do that real quick. Let me tell you a little bit about myself while I'm doing this. I was in the corporate world my whole life. I was a suit and tie guy my whole life until 2016. And I had been working 12 hours a day, 6 days a week, you know, making a living, just doing like everybody does. And one day, my boss ran me the wrong way, and I said, you know what? There's got to be another way. There has to be. And, you know, I always believed in myself a lot, so I thought I could do this. And my wife believed in me. She said, you can do this. So I started a detail company, and I ran that here out of my garage here for about 6 months, just swamped with business. And so then it got cold. December rolled around, and where I live, it gets cold. So I don't have a heated shop, so that didn't work out. So I said, what am I going to do? Well, it was right around that time that I was watching Casey the Rockstar Flipper and the Bearded Picker and Wade and Craigslist Hunter, all these guys. And I thought, you know what? I think I can do that. So I did. That was December 5th, 2016. I started my store. And the rest, as I say, is history. I haven't looked back. I went all in on flipping for a living. Yep. So, if you can relate to that kind of story, why don't you go ahead and leave that comment down below there and just say, hey Todd, you know what? I can relate. I did the same thing. Or why don't you go ahead and tell us your story below? I'm sure everybody will want to know. Okay, so let's see here. So that goes like that. Can you hang this on a wall? No. If I can set it like this. Put the scale like this. Okay. Just gonna move stuff around here. So I'll just leave the scale right here, like that. And then this dilly, can move it around. I'll have to break it in a little bit probably. Well, let's test it out. Let's see how it weighs. That's pretty important, right? Let's see. I'm not digging that part though. Oh, look, it still works without. Oops. It still works like that. So the cord is just a backup kind of deal. Okay, so let's go and zero it out. We've got it on ounces, pounds and ounces, so we're good there. And let's throw this on here. Let's see how it looks. Ready? Nice blue readout, digital readout. This is 5.4. So of course we'd round that up to 6. Or even 7 or 8 because it's all going to be the same, right? So there you go. I like it. I think it's going to work out great. It'll be a good addition to the business and hopefully save me some time, some money, and a little bit of stress. So that was the first thing that showed up. And I believe I'm going to make another video for the second thing that showed up. What if I do that? I think I'll do that. Okay, so, anywho, thanks for watching. Once again, my name's Todd, the Flippin' Hustler, and today was an unboxing of an Accutech W8580110B. I picked it up off of Amazon. I don't have an affiliate link below or anything like that yet. I need to figure that out. I'll figure that out and then I'll put one below and then you guys can click on it and all that stuff and then it'll be cool. Alright, 10-year warranty. Yeah, if it's in this basement, it better need a warranty, right guys? Alright, talk to you soon. Once again, Todd the Flippin' Hustler. Peace.